Professor Belfrost's science class is back.
Hi, welcome back to this channel. And today we'll again discuss another concepts related to science. So here's the science tutorial for you today. Are you ready? Let's continue playing this video. Okay, so welcome back to this channel. Okay, so today we'll present you some problems too from mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Okay, one. Okay, for each. Okay. Okay, start from mathematics problem. So let's FRR be a differentiable function with f0 equals 1 and satisfying this equation. Okay, then the value of log e f4 is, okay, it means learn actually. Okay, log base e, I mean. Okay, so fx plus y means that fx, okay, as this equation told you, fx times this differentiation of fy plus f differentiation x fy. Okay, so if we put x and y be 0, that we get this form, right? Okay, how to get this form, you understand, right? Yeah, it is 2 times actually, because it is the same thing. F0 is 1. Okay, 1 okay, so 2 f, yeah, this one, and it means that you can eliminate this part. Okay, so f differentiate 0 is half. And now putting y equals 0 in the equation, you get this one. So yeah, f differential x is fx by 2. If you take the integral on both sides, you get this. Okay, so f0 equals 1 and the differentiation is half. So ln fx is x by 2 plus ln c. So it is, yeah, you just need to take a reverse process. And you get, okay, you take e to the both side, e to the both side, e to the both side. So it is ce is the power of x by 2. So fx is e is the power of x by 2. So if we insert it 4, it means that yes, you get the result that you want. It is 2. Next, yeah, this is a theory, a theoretical things. Particle of mass and distribution initiate at rest at the origin, and it's subject to the forces that moving along the x-axis. Its kinetic energy k changes with time as dk dt equals gamma t. So the following, okay. So dk dt equals gamma t, and k is the kinetic energy, right? Did you say this is half mv squared? So yeah, if you take the differentiation, it becomes like this. Okay. So actually, you can take out the constant and do the differentiation on this part. Okay, this part, and you can create this kind of structure. So mv equals dv dt equals gamma t, and then you take integral on both sides, and you produce this. Then you just take square root on both sides, and yeah, find out. It is this. So phi is proportional to t, and this is cannot be proportional to t. Okay, now fma, okay, a is dv by dt, right? Okay, acceleration is the change of velocity by time. So you get this. It means that a, b, and d are correct. Next, chemistry. So color of X2 molecules of group 70 elements. Okay, group 70 means 7a. Okay, changes gradually from yellow to violet down the group, and this is due to, yeah, actually it needs some understanding comprehension here, because all of these actually correct related to group 17 molecules. Okay, it's correct that the physical state of room change from gas to solid down the group. Yeah, it's correct. Decrease ionization energy down the group, also correct, but it has no relation to explain this phenomenon. The one that has relation to explain this one is C and D, or C and D. Okay, because it's due to the absorption of light in the visible region, and the energy acquired in this manner excites the valence electron from the HOMO, highest occupied molecular orbital, to LUMO, which is lowest unoccupied molecular orbital, and also and And it means that there is a transition from pi-1 to sigma 1 molecular orbital, like this. Okay, so the correct answer are C and D. Okay, before I end the video, I want to share a quote for you today. It's from Albert Einstein. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. That's the end of the video for today. Thanks for watching, thanks for following so far. And here's what you need to do. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment, and share this video to your friend. And also, don't forget to check our website at https://sciencewithexploits.unaux.com, and I'll be back on every Tuesday, so keep watching and be thoughtful. Goodbye, see you on the next episode.